Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nabila Sheikh, roll number 2403. Today my topic presentation is morphology of honeybee. The morphology, first we discuss morphology of a honeybee. Morphology comes from a Greek word mars, which means form, and logis, which means study. So morphology is the study of structure of organism. In morphology we discuss the two terms adenomic and anatomy. First, adenomic, adis comes, which means form. Adenomic is the study of external appearance of an organism. And anatomy. Anatomy comes from our word anatome, which means dissection. Anatomy is the study of internal appearance of an organism. So then we discuss the physiology. Physiology comes from a word physics, which means nature, and logis, which means study. Study of function, mechanism, and activity of organism at cellular or organ system level. Then we discuss the body division. First, body is divided into three parts. First part, which is called head, second part, which is called thorax, and third part, which is called abdomen. Head. Head, which is present anteriorly in the body. In head, visual, olfactory, gustatory, and communication organ is present. Then if we see the head from anteriorly, this is a triangular in shape, and if we see the head from posteriorly, this is a flat. In honeybee, there are three types of honeybee. First, worker, second, queen, and third, drone. Then we discuss the head of a worker, which is triangular and slightly longer than broad. The head of a queen is bite round, and the head of a drone is much large, round, and greatly occupied by the large, black kidney-shaped compound eyes which meet at the top of the head. Eyes. Eyes, which is a visual organ. Two types of eyes present in honeybee. First, compound eyes, and second is simple eyes. Compound eyes, which is a complex image, and simple eyes, which is a simple image. Compound eyes present dorsally ventrally, and a simple eyes present in dorsal surface. Then we discuss the antenna. Antenna, which is a sensory organs for touch, odor, hair, and temperature. It is present between the compound eyes. It is divided into three parts. First part is cave, second is pedicle, and third is flagellum. Then we discuss the parts of a mouth, which is a chewing and lapping type for utilization, nectar, pollen, and water. It is directed downward. The first part, which is called a lumbar, also called upper lip, second a pair of mandible, which is called upper jaws, and a third a pair of maxilla, which is called lower jaws, and a fourth a labium, which is called lower lip. Then we will discuss the thorax of the drone. Second body segment, it is specially present for specialization for locomotion. It is divided into three parts: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Wings. Wings is a membranous organ for flight, simple in shape and ventation. There are wings, three types of wings present in honeybees: forewings, hind wings, and two types of wings. Legs. Three pair of legs present in all of the castes of honeybees. First we discuss forelegs. Forelegs also called prothoracic leg. This is antenna cleaner, semicircular notch on metatarsal and a tibial spar, accessory lobes, cock, pollen, and dust. And second is a middle legs, which is also called mesothoracic leg. It is a pollen brushing legs, flat metatarsal with several rows of hair on inner side. Brush off pollens from body surface. And a third hind legs, which is also called mesothoracic leg. Pollen collecting legs. Tibia is highly modified. Pollens to carry pollens, pellets, pants, and propolis. Then we discuss the abdomen of a honeybee. Abdomen, which is scaly visceral organ and system. Visceral organ, those organs also called internal organ. In honeybee and worker, it is divided into 8 segments, and in drone, it is divided into 9 segments. The first abdominal segment is fused with the metathorax called the propodium, and the second abdominal segment is greatly constricted anteriorly at its union with the propodium known as petiole. The remaining segments in abdominal are collectively called as gaster. The gaster consists of 6 exposed segments in the female and 7 in the drone, and the remaining are considerably modified into external reproductive organ genitalia.